If you like this video and want to see more, then please subscribe to the channel. So welcome again to my 2004 Jaguar XKR. Just thought I'd do a very quick video on the process I used to refurb the components on the front suspension. This video won't cover the bushing or bearing replacements, but it will just cover just briefly how I removed the rust, pre-treated and painted them. So it's just intended to give a good representation of what you can do at home on a modest budget. Just put in a little bit of time and improve the look of the suspension and also prolong its life. The process I used was just to blast, reprotect. I know a lot of people do go down the route of using powder coating. So powder coating is really a more expensive option, but that wasn't money that I really wanted to spend at this time. So I'll just show you the result. Okay, I'll show you the process I'm going through to clean these up. If we follow the process of this of the brake guard through, first of all I give it a degrease to get all the muck off, and then I put it into the blaster, and I'll show you the results after it comes out of the blaster. Okay, we got the left and the right one. One has been blasted and the other one hasn't. Next thing is to treat it with some Built Hammer Hydrate 80. It's a rust killer and barrier system. So you need to brush it on, and you leave it about 30 minutes and put a light second coat on. You don't need to put really thick coats on. And then it's best to leave it 24 hours before you paint, but you can do after just 3 hours. So this is what it looks like when it's all dried. It's not perfect, but I'm happy with it, certainly compared to the untreated one and unblasted one. So this is almost ready. There's a couple of areas that's still to dry. It's almost ready for an undercoat. There's some other components in various condition. This has just been blasted. That one's been treated and ready for undercoat. So now we got that in primer. I don't ever claim to be a good painter, but I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so this is the finished result. I've gone for a matte black. As you can see, it's a lot better than the original. Some parts still to be painted, some still to be blasted, and others already done.